Welcome to Humans GG. Today we're opening Wixoss. Haven't opened in a while. Our last opening was fantastic. I pulled the serial card. So today we're opening Wixoss Resonance, latest set. I don't even remember if there is like new one already available for pre-order. I'm filming it in December, so it feels good. There is like not many releases, and my wallet can take a break, a well-deserved break. So let's see. Okay, haven't opened Wixoss in a while. Come on. Come on, okay, come on. Okay, well, I can tell by it's LC. Rare, triple rare, and we got a super rare. I'm not sure about prices for super rares. Usually they're not expensive, but let me find it. Okay, $2. And most of them are cheap. Princess of the Insects. Well, nice looking card. Okay, so haven't. Ooh, nice looking card. I'll see rare and the foil common. Almost, yeah. Okay, so okay, token. Yeah, token. A lamp girl. Okay. Rare. Ooh. And we got our SSR. It's just a fancy super rares. Code Ancient Tindolence. It's textured, really nice, and it's only $5. Well, nice to have you in my album. Okay, so we opening. We'll see. Two rares. Oh, and we got like a foil. I usually don't go out of my way to buy like foil versions of cards in Wixoss, and I'm not a fan of only in and through. It's like a zoomed in art, but yeah, still nice to have. Oh yeah. So yeah, not many videos. I kind of caught up. I have things I need to film, but I'm too lazy. I have like a lot of Wixoss, Build Divide Bright, but I'm really lazy with them. Okay, I think I mixed up my piles as usual. So yeah, I'm kind of like so much work. It's end of the year soon, and it needs a lot of work to be done still. Okay, just one rare. Weird. Okay, foil spider. It's a token foil token. Okay. I mean, sometimes the rarity is so weird in this box. Okay. Ooh, shark lady. Man, art is great. I haven't opened it Wixoss in a while. I kind of forgot. It's still common. Rare. Okay, camera focus. We got Elric rare. Well, they're not even sometimes expensive, sometimes they're not. Let's see this one. Dried Thunder, $15. Ooh, gorgeous. Okay, they're kind of pricey. Nice. Yeah, so opening packs just to relax. Sticks. Okay, token again. Sometimes takes so much effort. I don't know, it's camera focus, so my eyes are focused. LC and the foil LC. It feels like my eyes are focused more than the camera. But I can like film only in specific days. Weird, so many tokens. Usually we don't get so many. Okay, LC. Okay, double LC. Rare, and the foil card. Okay, now the token. Man, so many tokens. It's like in every, feels like almost in every pack. Okay, it's rare. Yeah. Rare LC, rare LC, and foil C. We're almost done with the box one. We only opened like one super rare, which is low. Okay, we seen duplications in common slot. Okay, rare. Okay, another super rare. Finally. Cold Heart C Mela. $2. Not complaining. Another token. Commons. Rare. LC. Oh, and a foil shark girl. Cute. Okay. Okay. Rare. LC rare. Commons. Rare. Soba. Okay, we're getting a lot of duplications. Super rare. Beowulf, the Blue General, $1.50. Okay, prices are not exactly like converting yens in my mind, but it's like, it's good enough for me. A lot of telephones, and yeah, like in this box. RAM, and our last Cold Heart the Nova version 2. Okay, box number 2. Well, to compare to previous openings, pretty boring, but you cannot always like pull $1,000 cards. It's not improbable, so we will see. Okay, and let's see what we get. I think we can skip to rares because we don't care about rare foil. I'll just sort it later. Okay, new super rare. Rahara Point, $1.50. So I guess we get one good. Oh, sorry. One good slot. Cute foil. Okay, so yeah, I'm like big in Avatar right now, bought a lot of boxes, 6 to be exact. I only opened 3 so far. I'm opening my local LGS because it's more fun. Haven't pulled like anything crazy yet. Like no badger, no mole badger, no Washington as they call it in my club. It was so funny. Okay, foil. Yeah, so far as you can see, this box is pretty boring. But it's because of the last box. Last opening was so good. Oh, we got a card. It's kind of hard to top it. Like, yeah, unless there is a serial card lying here somewhere waiting. Okay, rare. Ooh, a mermaid foil. Okay. I may put some common rares into common pile. I'll live with that. Rare. Ooh, new card. Ooh. Sphene. Okay. There is more text here, but I think Google Translate only translated for this part. Sphene. Okay. We'll go with that. Dollar card. So many of these cards. Weird. So many tokens, commons. Okay, maybe one of them wasn't common. Rare, foil. Ooh, super rare. Goho powered suit. I'm kind of tired. Well, you can hear it from my voice. Okay. So many tokens. Ooh, okay, we got something textured, so must be good. Is that the same old rig we got? Feels like it is. And I can't find it. Oh yeah, it's the same. I can see like, wow, that's unlucky. Oh well. Samuel rig is so bad. Cards kind of like, you get one per box and like, oh, here's a duplicate. Okay, with this one, like Starfighter Milky Way. At least we are good like on super rares duplications. There is so far none, but they're so cheap. Doesn't really matter right now. Okay, LC, rare LC, foil. Okay, something. Okay, I think it's maybe another SRP for box LC. Okay, ooh, okay, something good. And we got SLR. I don't think they're pricey anyway. Let me find them. AI Queen signed $1.50, but the phoning is great. So if we get ultra rares, I'm not collecting ultra rares, and Wixoss are so expensive. I kind of wish I could, but they're really hard to get because they're like rare, and people in Japan just buy them. They're not often available for sale. Foil, okay. Box number 2 is gone, and we're opening last box. Okay, let's open bonus packs before I forget, because I forgot how to speak. Okay, 1 pack, 2 packs. Wow, I'm so bad with my pile management. Okay, let's see what we got. Ooh, we got multiple cards. Okay, and none of them are foil, so I guess this is bad. Or maybe it's supposed to be like this. Okay, I've seen duplication. And the last pack. Okay. Maybe they're not supposed to foil. I don't know. Okay, opening back. Okay, let's speed up. I'll try to speed up now. The problem is like I still need to sort them a bit. Okay, I think this is a duplicate. Okay, you know, like some random points. There's rare, so rare. Oh, a new super rare. I'm always happy for new super rare. Holy Heaven Princess 000. $4. Wow, this is expensive. Okay, so like telephones. Okay, we're getting some duplication now in super rares, but happens. Okay, commons, rare, see rare foil. Okay, now I know this is rare, so I can just like put it quickly. Okay, this is duplication city right now. I was saying we had a good luck with super rares, and now it's gone. Oh yeah. Okay. So, man, it's so random. Like sometimes get one rare, sometimes gets 4 rares. Common, rare, LC, rare, foil. Okay, this looks like something, or maybe nothing. You know. Oh, kind of. Oh, here's the token. I was like thinking, where's the tokens? I may mix them up. Okay. Okay, and we got another SLR. It looks gorgeous, but it doesn't have any value. Coat Peruk Apex, $4. Man, they're gorgeous anyway. And good thing they're cheap, so you can get them like for a couple bucks. I'll need to get back onto ordering cards. Okay, we got another card, even through we. Ah, that may be El Rigre. Yeah. Yes, looks like it. Rare LC. At least not a duplicate. Dream Shadow Bubble Shadow, $10. Nice. Okay, so guess like we got all our cards. I'm checking like serial card, signed card was in the middle. So I'm like checking them all. Maybe I even missed one and I haven't noticed. Oh well, I'll just, when I'll be doing sorting, I'll find it. Okay, like seconds. Rare LC, rare foil. Okay, last packs. And I'm tired, want to sleep. LC, rare, LC. Okay. Super rare duplication. Okay, rare, LC. Foil token. And the last pack. Okay. No hidden serial cards. Rare LC and the foil LC. And that's it. Okay, this is normal average, I would say, Wixoss video. Thanks for watching. See you soon.